Hi friends, it's Miss Ashley from the Pre-K classroom at TM on Franklin Street, and today we're going to learn about the layers of the rainforest. So we're going to start right here on the bottom, and it's called the forest floor. And over here it says the forest floor, the ground layer of the rainforest, teeming with insect life and host to the biggest animals of the rainforest. So we're going to practice writing forest floor. So you can get just a regular piece of paper for this, and you're going to write forest. F O R E S T and then floor. F L O O R. Now we're going to move up to the next layer. This layer in the middle is called the understory. The understory is the cool, dark environment that is between the canopy and the ground. So any animals that might climb up to the tree, like maybe a bug, would land in the middle of a tree, and that would be considered the understory. So we're going to work on writing the word understory. So it's U N D E R S T O R Y. Understory. Now we're going to move up to this layer, the canopy. The canopy is the upper level of trees, leaves, and upper limbs that form the cover over the lower layers. Full of life, this layer is home to many insects, birds, reptiles, and mammals. So any animals that live way up in the branches where all the leaves are, you're going to find those in the canopy. So we're going to write canopy. C A N O P Y. Canopy. And then way up at the top, this area is called the emergence. The emergence are giant trees that stick out above the canopy. They are much taller than the average canopy trees. Many birds and insects live here. So that's way, way up at the top. And we're going to write the word emergence. E M E R G E N T S. Emergence. So